think he found out I'm watching him. I think he found out I know he's the culprit, eating all my bird food out of my birdhouse. He's the culprit. He's a sneaky little culprit eating all the birdseed. He knows I know now. What's he gonna do? Yeah, he's gonna go back. Whoops. He's gonna go back and get some more. That's what he's gonna do. Look at him. He'll stretch that little fat little body from the tree to my birdhouse to eat the freaking birdseed. By next summer, he'll be a big fat bear climbing my tree. God, I love nature.